So we're talking about 10 habits that you're supposed to inculcate in 2021 to get a better financial money mindset. Sounds good. But what could be the most fundamental basic rule if I was to tell you? Can you think of something? Technically, it's not very difficult because this is literally the most fundamental thing when it comes to adapting or accepting something new into your life. Let me ask you a simple question. How did you adapt to learning about science or maths? You went to school and you learned about it, right? Same way with regards to money, you're supposed to learn about money. How do you do that? Please keep watching this video until the end so that I can tell you. Hello and namaste, I'm Manish Ahuja. This is Paycheck to Profit, India's first online community, talking to you about your money mindset, how you can grow your wealth, how do you get the most robust mindset so that you can expand your wealth, get financially free, get financially literate, and this is what today's video is all about. One mindset, one thing that I want you to do without fail this year is to start getting financially literate. You've invested so much time, effort, money, energy to get your degrees. You've gotten your degrees, you are in your jobs, you're earning a paycheck. You're not supposed to be dependent on your paycheck forever. You know you're going to retire eventually. You know your financial responsibilities are going to end. If you're living in a rented apartment, you will probably eventually want to own an apartment. If you're living in an owned apartment which is on loan, you have to clear that loan. Your lifestyle will keep increasing. It will keep getting better. Your kids, you would want to send them to better schools. You have to learn how to manage your money better. You have to learn how to invest your money so that your money can start working for you and it can start getting you returns so that you can live the life that you deserve. It may sound extremely overwhelming, but believe me, it's not. It's very easy. Easy only when you put the right amount of effort and energy in that direction. You can't. Let's look at it. Let's look at the example of driving. Do you think it was easy for you to start driving? All the people who are watching this video and who have learned how to drive, comment below and tell me how easy or difficult was it for you to start learning how to drive. I'll tell you my experience. The whole concept of managing the clutch, the brake, the accelerator, the gears, the steering, the side view mirrors, the rear view mirrors. Believe me, the music also was extremely distracting at one point of time. When you're learning how to drive, you literally feel so overwhelmed because there are so many moving components that you're supposed to take care of, and these are just the internal factors, the external factors of traffic, bad roads, bad drivers, somebody trying to, just pass by you and literally give you a anxiety attack thinking that they're just going to bang into your car, or even worse, you are going to bang into somebody else's car. But today, driving is absolutely effortless, and that's literally the case for everybody who knows how to drive. Similarly, when it comes to money, similarly when it comes to finances, you have to learn. You have to understand how does money work. You have to understand how does that money grow. Why do you have to start investing your money? What are the options? What is your risk taking capacity? What kind of an investor are you? Are you completely risk averse, or are you somebody who can afford to take some risks? Where are you supposed to invest your money? What kind of returns are good returns? These may sound like very difficult questions, but believe me, they are very fundamental, and the more time and effort you put into this space, it's going to be better for you because finally you are learning how to grow your own wealth. Imagine a life where you are earning X amount in your paycheck and you are earning just that much amount through your investments. It's not difficult. For that matter of fact, most financially free people do not even touch their paycheck because the money that they are receiving through their investments, through their rental incomes, through their other sources of income is much bigger than the paycheck. Why can't you think about living a life like that? Why can't you even visualize that? I'm sure many people watching this video would start getting nervous just thinking that that's a possibility. It obviously is. In this year, 2021, give yourself a new start. Give this decade a chance to literally get you financially free. Learn how to invest. If you want me to help you, look at the links below. There are multiple links. I keep posting things on Instagram. I have this exclusive group on Facebook which has over 1700 people. Talk to me, reach out to me on social media, ask me in comments what are your questions about money, and I promise you I'll answer them for you as much as I can. I hope this video has given you some perspective to think about. I hope you are now understanding why is it important for you to take control of your investments, your money, and I hope you'll do that. And in doing that, this channel, Paycheck to Profit, my blogs, my books which are about to come out, everything is going to be made to cater to your financial literacy needs. Get in touch with me, keep in touch with me, follow me on social media, and let me help you in the best way I can. And I'm not saying that you should only follow me, follow anybody as far as they are teaching you the right thing and as far as you connect with their thought process. I hope this has been helpful. If you've liked this video, please show your support by liking this video and sharing it on all social media channels so that more and more people can get to know about financial literacy, about the right money mindset, about why they're supposed to invest. Help somebody in 2021. It is going to be beautiful for you. That's about it from me in today's video. I'll now catch up with you in the next video. Until then, please keep smiling, take care of your loved ones, and stay happy. Ka-ching!